I'm a little bit tense. I've been working on this for a while now, but I just hope it turns out great and you guys get to love it. Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Uwom. On this series titled iDesign, is subtitled The Creative's Homepage. It's a series that was really designed and orchestrated specifically for those intending and those already in the information and technology sector. We'll be having a whole lot of talk shows and reviews about principles and things you need to know. Full stack development, web development. iDesign is being brought to you by Samfores Information and Technology Services. SITS is a leading provider of ICT solutions in Africa, and we are looking forward to empowering young African entrepreneurs with the needed ICT skills to dominate the next economic revolution. So we'll be doing a whole lot of full stack development tutorials, graphic design tutorials, and a whole lot concerning the information and technology sector. So just stay tuned, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you. Shout out to the No Limit TV team doing this with me.